section of my beauty room. Take two before this battery goes low. Hey, my loves. No, wait. Hey, my love. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. As you can see, I am in my beauty room. The section of my bedroom is called my beauty room. My birthday just passed, which was December 21st. And today is December 24th. I'm still getting packages in the mail from a lot of people. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. Like, seriously, thank you for the outpours of happy birthdays and gifts and videos. Just want to say thank you. And thank you. Let's get to this before my battery goes dead. If you're wondering why I have this brace on, I have nerve damage in this thumb. It was in this one. Now it switched to this one. Why? I have no idea. But let's get on to the package. I started to open and had to re-record thinking I was recording. But let's open up my Amazon package. It says, Dear Tara Love Diva Styles, sorry my gift is a few days after your birthday, but I hope you had a great day. Happy birthday from Susie, a YouTube fan. I don't know if you can see it, but that's from Susie. Thank you, Susie. If you're watching this, I really appreciate it. Now let's see what you got me. It says features LED mirror. Ooh. Let's open this up. Do I have it's upside down. It says see yourself in sunshine. That is so freaking cute. Now where do we open it up at? This sucks. OMG. What fell? We have after sales card. I don't know what that means, but anyway. After sales card. Oh, we have, you can, has a discount and all that great stuff. I will read when I put my glasses on. And this is organizer mirror. And this is what it looks like. I hope I'm not blurred. This is a dimmer LED vanity mirror. And it shows you how to use it. Okay, let's put the glasses on because it's a lot to read. Let me see what this is. Let's see what this is. This is oh, it has a USB port. It can be charged with a USB cord. Oh, this is a Bluetooth. It says press here to answer your phone call. Speaker directly to your mirror by built-in microphone. Okay, this is a Bluetooth mirror. You can play your music, answer your cell phone, all that great stuff. And it's from Amazon. So it has the magnify mirror. Some, whoa. You can see all imperfections. You can see my lace wig. It has a cloth to wipe the mirror. The USB. It has the mirror. Oh, 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 oh. Let's open it up. Please don't be so difficult with this one hand. Okay, cool. That's you all right there. See yourselves in the mirror? Okay. Let's lay you down. On the back of the mirror, let's close it. On the back of the mirror, it has the speakers. It has the on and off button, and it has another on off button, up and down, answer your cell phone right here button. And this one here, and then have the USB, and this is where you put the stand. Okay, let's get the stand out. It has a makeup organizer. Has a makeup organizer. As you can see here. Let's put that right here. And then you have the actual stand. Now let's get to putting this together. Let's turn you around a little bit. There we go. Can you still see me? It's clear, so it's hard to see. Then you sit this bam, right there. My battery's running low. And this has a suction cup. You can just sit it anywhere on your mirror. Ta-da! So, we're going to do a demonstration when I go and do my makeup. And I'll be back because it's a mirror. As you can see me. Can you see me? And you can hear the motorcycle outside. So you can put anything right here. The cool thing is I probably could put my cell phone right here to do selfies. It doesn't really go there, but we're going to put it there. But anyway, that's where that goes. It doesn't go there. So I'm going to take a picture with everything that's in this here mirror. I love this mirror so far because it's very clear. It's sunshine clear. This was just an unboxing.